Vere Phoenix versus Portmore United. Ha! This battle shall be legendary. Welcome back, people, to MG Sports TV. This is the Jamaica Premier League Game Week 4 preview show. Thank you very much again for tuning in. Really, really appreciate it. Make sure you hit that like button. And also, if you're here for the first time, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Don't your thing go. Here we go on. We're not going to waste some time. We already kill off our time. I do the YouTube stuff, rated, whatever. So we're going to jump straight into the preview show. Now, there's so much happening in football this season. Reggae Boyz are playing, schoolboy football are playing, and guess what? Jamaica Premier League to add on top of that. So videos, back of videos, back of videos, back of videos. The amount of video I make, I am fatigued. But guess what? I am getting still I work on the rest part. Still I work on the rest part. But I'm enjoying it. I am 100% enjoying it. It is good. Cause why? I love football. I know anything already. Here I go on. I'm saying up people. I don't know anything already. We're not going to waste some time. We're going to jump straight into the meat of the matter. Jump straight into the fixtures them. I can see how I go on for them. Alright, so this needs to fix up. This needs to fix up. This needs to fix up. So we have the Monday night fixtures as well. We have not Monday fixtures, and also the Sunday fixtures on here. So let's have a look at the table. Make sure someone else eat good enough, people. Make sure someone else eat good. All right, so let's have a look. So Sunday, October the 6th. This is what it looks like. First matchup we have here is Humber Lion versus Harborview. Now, Harborview, fine little farm. Them are going good. Them are going really good. Like what we see from them so far. Let's get into some statistics. Now, meetings between these two teams so far can register 5 meetings. Go all the way back to 2023. That's so far. Well, this carry back to 2023. Where we had 5 meetings and overall, how much wins? Harborview 1, 2, 3 wins and 1 defeat with 1 draw. So the last meeting was Humberline being trashed 4-2. 2 goals from J. Thomas, and 4 goals from Harborview, David Reed, Orlando Harding, Jashan Anglin, and Thompson. So that was when Anglin was at Harborview. So technically, this basically I said, it's not really in favor of Humberline. Because the last game they played actually was played at Humberline, and they lost it. That's when they lost it 4-2. So far this season, Humberline I pull off a few draw. And draw Cavalier. And draw Vere. And draw Tivoli. That's a position Humberline in so far. Whilst Harborview defeated Mullines, defeated Montego Bay, and they lost to Chapelton. So technically, Harborview are going at this game in a better form. Scoring goals also, even though they are conceding. Humberline is scoring goals as well, even though they are conceding. I think I'm going to go Harborview 2-1. Going to go Harborview 2-1 for this one, people. Next up we have is Mullines United versus Chapelton Maroon. Let me just see if we can bring that up here and have a look at the head-to-head. So far, head-to-head, 1 win each per team. Let's have a look. Let's go a little bit deeper. The form where farmers are concerned, Chapeltown Maroon has a better form. Start off the season quite good. Let's have a look. So for Chapeltown Maroon, this season so far, defeating Harbour for first game of the season, lost to Montego Bay 1-0. And I do think that was a really close game. Malines, lose to Vere, lose to Harbour View. And then a bad patch right now, people. Malines now a really bad patch right now, people. I'm going to say Chapeltown one love. Malines have to go find something. For this purpose, I have to go for Chapeltown. All the statistics me look on right here, so is in favor of Chapeltown. So I'm going to say Chapeltown one love. Next game on match day we have is Tivoli Garden versus Waterhouse FC. Now, this is actually a big game. Now, last meetup between both teams, you can see Waterhouse defeated Tivoli Garden. Before that, it was a draw. Before that, it was a 1-0 win to Tivoli Garden. Then a 3-0 win to Tivoli Garden. Then a 1-0 win to Waterhouse. So technically, it's 2-1. What I mean by that, 2 wins each and 1 draw between both teams. What we're going to look at is most recent form. Waterhouse looks to be the team who actually have a better form in recent times. So look like we're going to have to go with Waterhouse based off what we're seeing. Unfortunately, Waterhouse was defeated by, Cavalier. Last game Waterhouse played, they were defeated by Cavalier. No, by Cavalier 2-0. And Tivoli was defeated by Portmore 2-1. I think I'm going to go Waterhouse. The game is close enough, people. I go 1-1 draw. Going for a 1-1 draw for that game. Next up, we have is Portmore United versus Vere Phoenix United. Now, over the time period, Portmore has been the better team through this technical this head-to-head clash. We have 2 wins, 2 draw, and 1 loss. Funny enough, the last loss that we have was against Vere. Was the last game we played. The last game we played was when we lose that game. So, and a 90 plus 1 minute Ponte killer star. Yo, that rough. 90 plus 1 minute. Yeah, man. Anyways, I do think we're gonna bounce back here. I think this is Portmore United opportunity to put more points on the board, which I do believe that they will. I think they will, but I don't think it will be an easy game. I'm looking at a 2-1 Portmore United. I think Vere has a lot of firepower and they will score. They most definitely will score. So I'm looking at a 2-1 Portmore United from this one. Now we move to Monday Night Football. First match on the agenda is Cavalier versus Dunbeholin. I think this one is not necessarily hard to tell. I think it's obvious I'm going to go Cavalier. Still interested to see what the new coaching staff at Dunbeholin can come and pull off. If they can come and pull off an upset. It would be an upset if Cavalier lose, but let's see if Dunbeholin can come and pull it off. But I'm going to say Cavalier 3, Dunbeholin 1. Next matchup on the day, this game will be played at Catchinall, is Mount Pleasant versus Racing. Now, Racing has been doing quite good so far at the start of the season. This is a perfect opportunity. Well, they'll be seen. They'll get quite a lot of TV game. But I believe Mount Pleasant coming back from that defeat versus Real Hope. I think Mount Pleasant is in a upset mood. I think they're in an upset mood. So I'm going to go, and I think just maybe just maybe, Racing can try get something out of it, but maybe a draw. They can try and get a draw. I'm going to go Mount Pleasant 2-1. Racing always score. They will score. And then the final game of the game week we're going to go is Montego Bay versus Arnett Garden. No, this is an interesting one. This game is going to be a very, very close game. What we're going to do is look at the head-to-head. 3 draws, 1 apiece wins. Let's see who won the last game. It was between both. It was actually a draw. The last game was a draw. Before that, Arnett won it. Before that, a draw again. Then Montego Bay. All right. In where recent form is concerned, Montego Bay is actually in a way better form. I'm sure why Arnett look like that, you know. I'm sure why. They're in a better form. Arnett drawed Racing. Then they played Cavalier. But so far they actually only played one. Oh no, actually not one league game they play. They played Dumble. They defeated Dumble. Yes, they defeated Dumble 3-0. And then they played Racing and the game drew 1-1. So where the league is concerned, that's not a bad form. I think Montego Bay in a better form at this moment. Though, I think the game may go draw. I say 2-2 draw. The game may look like one draw. I say 2-2 draw. Yeah. I try run the stats them. But when I look at it, the game look more like a draw than anything else. But, so as I say, still 2-2 draw. Yeah, man, that's not a bad prediction. 2-2 draw for that one there. But let's see how the table. Let me have a look at the table and see what the table look like. No, let's bring up the table, people. See what the table look like now. So Cavalier still on the top. Montego Bay in second. Harborview third. Arnett Garden 4, Racing 5th, fourth, Racing 5th, Vere Phoenix 6th, Mount Pleasant 7th, Lion 8th, Chapel Maroons 9, Waterhouse 10th, Portmore 8th. Fix up yourself, Portmore. All right, so apparently, okay, so that's the situation. Tivoli 12th and Malines 13th and Dumble in 14th. Not looking good for Malines and Dumble no, jeez. Yo, you don't look good for Dumble and Malines. I tell you, you don't look good at all. But anyways, that's it for the preview for the scoop. The Jamaica Premier League is concerned. Game week 4. Drop your predictions in the comment section. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you guys again. Until next time, MG Sports TV. All right, people, God bless. Boom. And I mean predictions in the comment section, people. Drop on the predictions there.